Well, here's a hell of a banjo to show y'all. I don't have it strung up right now. It sounds amazing. It's real easy to play. Great sounding banjo. A friend of mine named James gave me this to get it fixed. It was made by a guy named Green. Just a homemade, as an old man, he said. I didn't really get any more details about that, but it came with these, like, those ugly dog ear tuners. So James wanted some straight backs put on there. We did that for him. It had a bad crack kind of through the fingerboard here where they drove, instead of using a 5th string pip, there's a railroad spike there. Not the best, but I just fixed the crack and left the spike rather than putting a pip in there. I don't care about that. I don't think James cares either. So I got all these hooks off. It has a resonator for it somewhere. I think you should leave the resonator on these things, but it's up to you when you find them like this. Also, you should pretty much always take the neck off if you can when you're doing this, because you'll chip it right here. But I'm just, I'm a professional, so I know I'm not going to chip that. So whatever, we're going to get rid of this hide. I'm going to give him sort of more old-timey looking fiber skin hide. But anyhow, what I guess is really worth showing y'all is kind of neat in here. Somebody knows what kind of tone ring that is. I don't know. It's like rolled over the top, brass, but then it caps down on the side. So somebody knows what kind that is. I don't know. But so he put it looks like a nice tone ring. And then you see the way he beveled the inside of that? That's important. Drum makers do that when they make drums. So if you're making a banjo, you want to do that to your banjo too. You don't want anything that touches your sound table, your hide, to be flat or edged. You want it to be round. I think that's about all we need to show them on this. There's not much to it. It's a wonderful sounding banjo. When I get it back together, I'll have to play it for y'all. Thanks for looking.